received a PLO file from a CAD system or engineering plotter. This contains vector drawing commands in HP's plotter language, the format that drove pen plotters and large format printers for decades. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you view and convert these plotter output files. I'm going to show you how the pros do it. This involves a smart application of one Premier PLO file inspection tool that minimizes complexity across many different files. PLO files are plotter output files containing Hewlett-Packard Graphics Language commands for driving pen plotters and large format printers. They store vector drawing instructions including pen movements, line styles, text placement, and geometric shapes generated from CAD and engineering applications. HPGL PLO. Plotter files use plain text ASCII encoding, storing sequential plotter commands, including PU pen up, PD pen down, PA plot, absolute SP select pen, and CI circle instructions. The command stream defines vector paths that reproduce technical drawings on plotter hardware. The proprietary opener for the PLO file structure is typically Autodesk AutoCAD by Autodesk, Inc. Full control over the file's proprietary features requires a dedicated application. Windows may show basic thumbnails, but real work is done in vector graphics applications. We'll conduct a full check of installed file readers now. Right-click your PLO file and select Open with. Test Autodesk AutoCAD if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates uncertainty. If the PLO file won't budge, stay calm. This is the last stop before the universal fix. Let's quickly test these common failure points to confirm the depth of the PLO problem. First, viewing plotter output. Open the PLO file in a free HPGL viewer, such as View Companion, or the online HPGL viewer at ofoc.com. The viewer renders the plotter commands as a visual drawing, displaying the technical illustration or engineering diagram. Zoom and pan to inspect drawing details and dimensions. Next, converting to standard formats. Use View Companion or Inkscape with HPGL import to convert PLO files to PDF, SVG, DXF, or PNG format. In View Companion, open the PLO file and use File, then Save As to select your desired output format. PDF conversion preserves vector quality for printing and distribution. Finally, editing vector content. Import the PLO file into Inkscape or a CAD application that supports HPGL import. The vector paths become editable objects that can be modified, rescaled, and annotated. Export the edited drawing to modern vector formats for continued use in current design and documentation workflows. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need, available at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.